If God created the universe, is around us and within us, then God must be hydrogen. Unknown. Hydrogen comes from the Greek words hydro, meaning water, and gen, meaning forming. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless, non-metallic, tasteless, highly flammable, diatomic gas with an atomic symbol of H and an atomic number of 1. A hydrogen atom is the simplest possible atom, with only 1 electron and 1 proton bound by the electromagnetic force. It is the most abundant element in the universe, playing a crucial role in life. It is present in almost all molecules in living things, enabling the body to produce energy, aiding in toxin removal, and contributing to the stability of human DNA strands. Hydrogen makes up approximately 3/4 of all matter. Helium accounts for about 1/4. The rest of the gas is oxygen. This staggering abundance of hydrogen in the cosmos is a testament to its fundamental role in the fabric of the universe. The most abundant elements on Earth are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, and hydrogen, which account for less than 0.2% of the total. Our bodies, marvels of biological engineering, comprise 2/3 oxygen, 1/5 of carbon, and only 1/10 of hydrogen. Despite its low proportion, the body has more hydrogen atoms than carbon atoms. Hydrogen is the lightest element, has a very low weight. Yet, its role in our existence is profound, as it is a critical component in the formation of our bodies. The element has a high vibrational frequency, despite its low mass. The vibrational frequency of hydrogen is higher than that of carbon. Hence, soul expansion involves moving from a carbon-based body to a lighter, higher frequency body like hydrogen. Thus, every time we heal our energetic fields, we incrementally increase our hydrogen levels to get to the crystalline body, the light body. It aligns us with the vibrational frequencies of the universe. The universe has been assisting Earth with this ascension through the recent solar flares, which stream pure hydrogen to Earth, increasing hydrogen in the atmosphere. Oxytocin, the love hormone, has a high vibrational frequency hormone with high hydrogen elements. The chemical elements of oxytocin and some state-altering substances. Oxytocin has 43 elements of carbon, 66 elements of hydrogen, 12 elements of nitrogen, 12 elements of oxygen, and 2 elements of sulfur. THC has 21 elements of carbon, 30 elements of hydrogen, and 2 elements of oxygen. LSD has 20 elements of carbon, 25 elements of hydrogen, and 30 elements of nitrogen. Cocaine has 17 elements of carbon, 2 elements of hydrogen, 1 element of nitrogen, and 4 elements of oxygen. DMT has 12 elements of carbon, 16 elements of hydrogen, and 2 elements of nitrogen. From this, one can see that oxytocin contains higher than most hallucinogens, which produce the most extreme alteration of consciousness, which means that one can use oxytocin because it contains high vibrational hydrogen to reach a higher state of consciousness and increase their vibrational frequencies.